Have you ever struggled to find the right word to express your ideas? Or perhaps you've been hesitant to write due to grammar and punctuation worries? Fear not, because in this course by Happy Class Online School, we will equip you with the essential tools and to become a confident and proficient writer. Welcome, aspiring wordsmith. Are you ready to embark on an exciting journey into the world of English writing? Well, you are in the right place. In this video, we'll give you a sneak peek into what you will learn in our engaging basic English writing course. The course covers a wide range of essential skills that will transform your writing abilities. Get ready to dive into the depth of grammar, spelling, vocabulary, paragraph development, essay writing, academic writing, and even unleash your creativity through the magical world of poetry, short story, memories, and screenwriting. No matter your goal for learning to build English writing skills, we'll get you covered. Sounds exciting, right? But wait, there's more. Our course is thoroughly structured to maximize your learning experience. Let me give you a dive into our course structure. The course is divided into series, each comprising of 7 parts, and each part containing several sections of lessons. Let's break it down. In part 1, reading, context, and English summary writing, we will sharpen your reading skills by dissecting carefully selected paragraphs. You will uncover the deeper meaning and discuss the context, enhancing your ability to summarize and write English summary. Vocabulary is all about expanding your word bank. We uncover exciting and useful words related to the passage you read. You will learn how to seamlessly incorporate those words into your writing, making it more vibrant and engaging. Mastering the essential mechanics of writing is the focus of part 3 mechanics. From punctuation marks to capitalization will ensure your work is polished and professional, leaving you a lasting impression on your readers. And part 4, grammar, takes you on a journey through the often perplexing world of grammar. We demystify complex rules, making them accessible to all, and prepare you to conquer grammar challenges with ease. Sentence construction is where the magic happens, which is part 5. Discover the art of crafting powerful, well-structured sentences that captivate readers, and convey your message ideas with precision. Your word will have an impact like never before. Put your newfound knowledge into action in part 6, practice writing. Through the engaging exercise, you will enhance your skills and boost your confidence as a writer. Practice makes perfect after all. And lastly, in part 7, comprehension questions, we will test your understanding of passages from part 1. Get ready for thought-provoking questions that challenge and reinforce your knowledge, ensuring you've truly mastered the concept. And that's the structure of our basic English writing course. With each part building upon the previous, you progress steadily and gain the confidence to express yourself through writing. Here's what you need to know before taking the basic English writing course. Basic understanding of the writing of the English language, and you have to have passion for writing and improving your skills. Willingness to put effort in and practice, and you have to be open to receive feedback and making revision. And also you have to have access to a smartphone, a computer, or with an internet connection. And with that, there's no pure writing experience. So that's it. With these prerequisites, you are all set to embark on your writing journeys toward becoming a skilled English writer. Click that subscribe button to enroll in our basic English writing course today and unleash the power of your work. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss a single lesson. And most importantly, like, comment, and share this video with your fellow aspiring writers. Of course, take a break before watching the next video if it is uploaded. Until next time, keep those quills sharp and those imaginations soaring. Happy writing and cheer.